Every time you flip a switch, a small, often overlooked component performs a vital task. This is the capacitor, the silent genius that brings your single-phase motor to life. In a single-phase AC motor, the main power creates an oscillating magnetic field that simply shakes the rotor. It needs a crucial push to begin continuous rotation. The capacitor is essentially an energy storage device. It holds an electric charge between two conductive plates, separated by an insulating layer called a dielectric. When connected to an AC source, the capacitor continuously charges and discharges. This brief period of holding energy is what creates its magical effect. This charge-discharge cycle causes the current flowing through the capacitor to lead the main voltage. This is known as a phase shift, the critical twist we need. The single-phase motor uses two sets of coils, the large main winding and a smaller auxiliary start winding, where the capacitor will be connected. The capacitor feeds its phase-shifted current into the auxiliary winding. This instantly creates a second, artificial AC phase, separated in time from the first. Now, the combination of two fields separated by time and space is perfect. It generates the necessary rotating magnetic field, RMF, to push the rotor into continuous motion. The motor rapidly accelerates, converting the static oscillatory force into powerful, reliable rotary torque. The job of the capacitor is nearly complete. Once the motor reaches sufficient speed, a centrifugal switch often disconnects the capacitor and starts winding, as the motor can now self-sustain rotation on the main winding alone. Not all capacitors are the same. Start capacitors provide a huge kick to start, while smaller run capacitors remain connected to boost running efficiency and smoothness. When a motor hums but fails to spin, the capacitor is usually the culprit. Its internal chemistry degrades over time, preventing the necessary phase shift. In essence, the capacitor turns the problematic single phase into a pseudo-two-phase system, generating the continuous rotating magnetic field required for motion. From deep well pumps to powerful air conditioner compressors, the humble capacitor is the essential component that makes single-phase electric motors truly functional. Did this hidden twist surprise you? Like, share, and subscribe to UA Electric for more engineering deep dives.